Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to see recently added friends on Snapchat. So for you to do that, you have to open your Snapchat, then tap at the chat icon here. Once you do that, then tap at this plus sign. Once you do that, then it will move you to add friends section. You can see it up here. You can add friends. You have about many of them. You can have quick add, then you can also invite some friends. Then after that, then you click on this three dots icon. Once you do that, then it will pop up another option, which is recently added by me. Then you tap at this option. Then these are the list of friends that are recently added by me, and these are arranged by the date and time at which they are recently added by me. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.